Hi, beautiful workout in the morning. My coach Praveen, he's a Indian national kickboxing champion. Oh fuck! Today he did good stretching, feeling really nice. People who I can suggest this chasing money too. There's nothing wrong with money. Money is great. It's a means to an end. You can enjoy money for sure, but there comes a point where it can't help you beyond a point. There've been studies on this. People who even win lotteries, they have a lot of money. They buy a lot of stuff and all that, and in about 3 4 months, they're bored. They're back to square one. It will satisfy to a certain level. After that, there's some things you gotta find which make you happy. Some hobby, something. For me, I know, and different things work for different people. For me, I know exercise really gives me, and it's a known fact, exercise gives you an endorphin rush. It's the cleanest high. You get a calmness and beautiful high. That's why, and I've noticed all these fit guys, they will never come for a fight. They're very, very sweet people. Take anybody, Sachin Tendulkar, anybody, Mike Tyson, anybody. They will never come for a fight in the streets. Shoot as drunk fuckers, because they're all lost fuckers, they come for fights. And frankly, all these guys can barely belt them in fucking 5 minutes. Because they're all fit and ready. They can handle a drunk guy anytime. So anyway, I'm singing a song which I've already put a karaoke version. It's my favorite song by Lata Mangeshkar ji, Queen of India, the I call her. And something about the song connects with me deeply because I was a student of philosophy. And entire India, in the East is based on Prakriti, nature, and how we will always live in nature. So the song is really beautiful. I don't know who wrote the lyrics. The frontline people get the credit. People, that's why in film we know the hero, but we don't know who wrote the script. He is the real guy. I don't know who wrote the song. Lataji, of course. There has to be a balance between. That's why that combination of I like of Kishore, Rajesh Khanna, and R.D. Burman. Oh God, those three guys, a killer combination. You got to get the right combination. Then it's a killer thing. Everybody puts in his pick. This is a song called "Rahe Na Rahe Hum, Mehka Karenge, Ban Ke Kali, Ban Ke Sabah, Aabe Wafa Mein." Oh, beautiful. Suno. खिलते रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा आबे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम महका बन के कली बन के सबा आबे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम मौसम हो कैसे इस चमन में खिलते रहेंगे ये फिजाना चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही बन के रहेगी इस ज़मीन पे इसी सरज़मीन इसी सरज़मीन पे हम तो रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा आबे वफा रहे ना रहे हम खिलते रहे यादें फिरते रहेगी इस फिजाना चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही बन के रहेगी इस ज़मीन पे वहीं पे कहीं वहीं पे कहीं तुमसे मिलेंगे बन के कदी बन के सबा आबे वफा में रहेगा हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा आबे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम खिलते रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा आबे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम. So beautiful. For my European friends, what he's saying is, if we are there or not there, we will always be in this nature, this beautiful, and that is proved today by science. Now, we are always existing in nature and everything around us. And our thinkers of the East have said this thousands of years back. Quantum physics is saying it now. Okay, respect. They have used the empirical, outside to study to get to these understandings. The Eastern thought has gone inwards, meditation, and come to these conclusions. There are two ways of looking at it. But our boys also are very deadly focused. Okay, cheers. God bless you all.